For this project, customer has requested a new GFCI. So to get this job done, this is the tools that we're gonna need. Like always, we're gonna need a drill, non-contact voltage tester, screwdriver, 20 amp GFCI, and some electrical tape. Let's go ahead and begin by moving the cover plate. Let's use our non-contact voltage tester and see if we've got power. We have no power, so we're okay to proceed. Being that this is a tile surface right here, National Electrical Code does not allow you to have more than a 1/4 inch gap from the box out to the front surface of whatever material that you're using. So that's why they're using this at a gap. We're gonna have to put it back when we put the new GFCI back in. Now GFCIs are a little bit different. You have to be aware of what the line is and what the load is. Of course, we have the white screws that are for the white wires, and then we have the brass screws, which are the black wires. And then we have the ground wire right here. But most importantly, you do not want to get the line and the load mixed up because this GFI is not gonna work. We want to locate the load wires. The load wires are always on the bottom side of the GFCI. So let's go ahead and undo those first. I recommend taping these together so that way you know that these two are on the same side. Now you want to go ahead and undo the line. And I'm not going to get into the specifics on why it's called line and load, but it's basically power coming in and power going out. You don't want to reverse those. If not, the GFCI is not going to work properly. We've got the new GFCI. You want to see right here that we've got line and the bottom that we've got load. So we know that these are our line wires and this is our ground wire. So let's go ahead and start putting that together first. Let's go ahead and get the ground wire made in. Make sure it's seated well underneath the clamp. And let's go ahead and tie that down. Now let's work on the line wires. Let's go ahead and tighten that one down. Go ahead and tighten that one down. Now let's go ahead and untape the load wires. Go ahead and tighten that down. All right, let's go ahead and get everything put back together. Get it lined up as best you can. Got to use these long screws. Let's get the cover plate put back on. Now let's get the power turned back on.